Today I'm going to teach you one of the many things you can do with this oat apart from cooking it, and that is granola. Yes, low carb granola. Yes, very good for those on a low carb diet. You're going to love it. So you're going to make uses of this old fashioned oats, high in whole grain and rich source of fiber. If you need some, contact me. This oats highly nutritious. You are going to start by baking or drying some coconut. I have this grated coconut here. I'm going to take it to the oven and dry it. The aim is to dry it and not to burn it, and so make sure you don't burn it. Give it much attention because coconut they dry very quick. Okay, so this is it after baking or drying it. Yes, so I'm going to now add all my ingredients. I'm going to make use of pumpkin, chia seeds, black seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, almond nuts. Yes, coconut oil as well. And this is my flavor. Use any of the things that you want, what you have. So I'm going to use this oat. This is a must. This oat is the star of the moment, so make sure the oat you use is this type of oat. You see, it is not refined oat like the usual oat you have in the market. So make sure this is the oats you are using. Okay, so contact me for yours. I'm adding all my seeds and nuts to it. Use whatever seeds and nuts you have available. It mustn't necessarily be what I'm using. You can use one or two of this, or you can even use more seeds than what I have here, or more nuts. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. Adjust the quantity to your preference. I just added coconut oil. I'm going to add honey also to it. You can use stevia if you are on a keto diet, or if you have diabetes and you want to enjoy some granola. Please omit the oats and then omit the honey and omit the granite paste. Okay, and then just use the seeds. So I'm going to add my flavor. I love using strawberry flavor in my granola. It gives it this kind of taste, very awesome. I love it more than using the vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything and then spread it very well. So I'm going to add a little bit of the oats to it. As I said, is the star of the moment. Okay, and I'm going to take this to the oven and then bake it. Make sure you give it maximum attention. Maximum attention. Do you get it? Don't just leave it like that. Give it maximum attention. Be stirring it here and there while it's in the oven. So this is it after baking it. You're going to stir everything together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the seeds to it. Yes, just a bit of everything. Yes, so this is sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, another sesame seeds. I'm adding some raisins or mixed fruits. Yes, this is mixed fruit to it. Mix everything together. So this is my granola, or our granola. You see, looking all sumptuous, scrumptious, delicious. Just give it a try. You are going to love every bit of it. So I'm going to package this and I'll store it in my fridge, and whenever I need it, I'll just go for it. I usually enjoy granola with yogurt a lot. And so what are you waiting for, my fam? Grab your oats, okay, and then start making this delicious, amazing, healthy granola. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.